Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Firstly, open Settings. Then you need to click on Connected Devices and choose Connection Preferences. Following that, select Printing under Cast and click on Default Print Service, or select Add Service and install the best one. For example, I will go with HP one. When it's ready, you need to choose the back button twice. Now choose one of your services by clicking on it and tap on this switcher if it's not already on. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!